In this presentation, we will discuss text metadata that enables us to specify searches in a corpus search system. In the earlier presentation, I showed you how to access the number of text in a corpus via corpus metadata. This is because our purpose was practical, and that was still relevant to the purpose of the presentation, which was to seek evidence that a corpus is a collection of text. However, we haven't spent a great deal of time discussing what metadata actually is. To put simply, metadata is a data about data. As an analogy, I want to show you an example from a library search system. A library search system helps you find the book of your interest faster. In some occasions, I enjoy browsing through library bookshelves. However, there are times when I need the book that I want really quick. In the past, the manual system that allows me to do so was called catalog system. Information for each library items are annotated in cards, and these cards are organized alphabetically in different cells, depending on what basis they are indexed, such as by title, author, type of publications, etc. The card catalog system is now obsolete. The register is now stored in the form of digital database. And the catalog system has transformed into a more powerful digital search system. The database, or the metadata, may contain various information such as text ID, title, type of text, like books, journal, technical reports, etc., or by language, such as English, French, German, etc., or even by years of publications. If I supply the following information, material type journals, and language of publication French, and publication date and the year, the library search system will return me with text number 003. It is not going to return me with text number 004, even though the title also contains the same query, linguistics, since I have specified that I'm looking for a journal, not a book. The same procedure applies here. I specify my search on books, and language of publication now is set to English, and publication date to any year, so that I get text number 001, not 002, even though the title for text number 002 also contains the word linguistics. This is a sample from British National Corpus that may represent a metadata information in one of its text. Text metadata in a corpus allows the system to restrict or to specify searches. The complexities of metadata might be different from one corpus to another. For example, in the British National Corpus, there are 30 categories with numerous subcategories. However, in the Shakespeare First Folio corpus, there is only one category with 3 subcategories. Let me give you a demo. We will search by using a query death. We apply restriction on play category with subcategory tragedies. This means the search applies only on text whose metadata content is tragedies under the play category. To put it simply, of all 3 types of Shakespeare's works, comedy, tragedy, history, CKP Web will only perform searches on tragedies text, not comedies or histories. You can try by yourself. You can search by using the query death in the same corpus, but restrict the search only to comedies and histories. You can see that the results are different. These can be observed from the number of matches or frequencies. The first one, where we restricted our search on the subcategory of tragedies, returned 360 matches. The second one, where we chose to restrict our search on comedies and histories, returned 464 matches. But the most striking difference is in examples shown in the concordance. Every concordance is totally different. The principle of specifying searches can also be applied to other corpus search systems. You can try it by yourself in englishcorpora.org. See the following demo, which compares depth in academic and fiction sections in COCA, Corpus of Contemporary American English. This is another demo that I made. This time, I applied a search on Sketch Engine and compare the use of depth in British and American English. Another way in CKP Web to specify your search is from restriction, as illustrated in the demo below. In the demo, we restrict our search only to written data. When searching with different restrictions, we can compare the results. In this slide, we can see the top 10 concordance lines from written and spoken sections of the British National Corpus. We can see that in the spoken form, contractions are more frequently used following I, while in the written form, contraction less frequently occurs. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any question or comments, please post them below this video. Many thanks and see you in other videos.